Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of our weekly outlook. Alright, so as usual, we take five pairs, which is Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold, Euro JPY, and GBP JPY. We analyze them to see what we are expecting for this coming week. Alright, so for this coming week, what are we expecting? For the market, what are we expecting, and what are you also expecting? So this is what I'm going to be expecting for gold, euro, USD, and the following pairs. So yeah, in this video I'm going to keep everything simple and short. I'm going straight from the 4H time frame. I'm not going to explain a lot about how I did my breakdown. All right, so on the 4H time frame, if you look on this side, we have gold trading into a particular demand zone. Actually, gold traded twice into that demand zone. We had our first break of structure right here. So we had our first break of structure. So this was this high, and then it created this low, right, which was broken here. Now, since it has been broken up to the upside, okay, I was expecting gold to trade up, okay, maybe gold to come into a zone right here to give us another move to the upside, which did. And what now, gold has broken the structure here. So what are we presuming from this 4A structure? We are presuming market is making bullish order flow, right? So right now I'm going to, since I'm expecting bullish order flow in the market, I'm going to be expecting price to trade into this zone right here before going up. All right, or price can also decide to trade into the zone down here before going to the upside. Now we have this zone here which price can react to. All right, now this is a very weak zone for me. I'm not really going to consider this zone, but then what do you know, price can easily give us a reaction there, which would be a reasonable one. Okay, so we can have price moving into this block here, right? This, and then giving us a sell to the side before we have our move to the upside. So price can also give us something like that. So this is what I'll be expecting when the market opens. Now this week's market open, I'm really expecting some gap in the market, like some big gaps in the market. Hopefully it happens. So let's be careful. I know some people rush a lot when the market just opens, they take trades, and yeah, so that's what I'll be expecting for gold. Let me go to the next pair, which is Euro USD. Now, what am I expecting for Euro USD? All right, so with Euro USD, yeah, same thing. I'm expecting bullishness on Euro USD. We had Euro USD trading into a very nice demand right here, 4H demand right here, and I'll be expecting Euro USD to trade into either this zone right here, to give us maybe some confirmations before we go up to the upside. So this is what I'm going to be expecting for Euro USD as well. So I'm going to be expecting something like this for Euro USD. So I have these two zones here which I'm expecting Euro USD to trade into before we get move to the upside. Now I actually don't have any nice zone right here. Okay, I actually don't have any nice zone right here which I'm expecting gold to either trade into like this before getting a sell. But when you go to the 1H time frame, which will give us either 30 minutes or something, it will give us a zone right, I think about this side. Yeah, there'll be a zone right here, so we can be expecting price to trade right up into this zone, coming down before we get our move to the upside. Okay, so we can have price going up to this zone, retracing to the downside before we can have our move to the upside for this coming week. All right, so that's all I have for Euro USD. And what is my next pair? My next pair is going to be GBP-USD. And what am I going to be expecting for GBP-USD? Okay, so same thing always. We had GBP-USD trading into a 4H demand right here. Okay, so 4H demand, we had inducement taken out. Market broke structure to the downside. Now market has broken structure to the upside. Now when you look at this, yeah, on 4H, it doesn't look like a good break of structure because of the wick, but then on the 2H time frame, yeah, it was a reasonable break of structure with the whole body. That's why I consider this what a break of structure. All right, now we can see this trend line phantom right here. So what am I expecting? I'll be expecting price to what, to clear all this what trend line phantoms around. We had this particular tool here. So we had this nice demand supply right here, which was what wicked out by this. Okay, so we had that, it was wicked out. And what am I expecting? So I'm going to be bullish on this pair, which means I'm going to be expecting price to trade into what, this zone right here, to give me a push to the upside. Okay, so I'm going to be expecting that for this pair. That's Gbpjpy-Eurjpy. So I'm going to be expecting price to trade into the upside. Now, when you look at this side, okay, I decided to look for zones in which I think price can what, trade into, but then all the zones have been mitigated, right? All the zones have been mitigated. When you go to the lower time frame, you can analyze and you see that all the zones what have been what mitigated. We have some nice zones right here which has been mitigated. We have another zone right here which has been mitigated. So all the zones have been mitigated so far. We have this very nice zone here which has also been mitigated. So if it has already been mitigated, I don't really want to look at it as a high probability zone for price to return. So since I have all these mitigations and we have all this trend line phantom, what am I expecting? I'll be expecting price to clear this out. Now also price can easily give us a nice break like this, then trade straight to the downside. Okay, so we can have price also giving us a very nice structure like this and then giving us a nice confirmation for a sell. Then we have our sell to the downside. So if you ask me what I'm expecting here, this is what I'm really looking for GBP-USD, and same thing for gold, Euro-USD and gold. Okay, but then yeah, I'll be expecting price to do that. But then if price gives me a reason to sell more, then why not? Okay, so our next pair, which is Euro-USD, what am I expecting for Euro-USD? So now we have, Euro-JPY. Okay, so we have Euro-JPY trading into this 4H or order block right here. Okay, now after it traded into it, it's giving me some kind of distribution right here. Now I really like this price action. And what am I expecting? So when price opens, I'm expecting price to actually break this zone right here. If price is able to break this zone, then I'll be expecting price to trade up here. Then I look for very strong sell in the market. Okay, so this is one thing, this is one very nice setup I'll be expecting. Now there again, we can be having price giving us a reaction at this particular demand zone right here. So price can trade into this demand zone, giving us a reaction. Then we have price move to the upside, take this swing high out before we get our sell. So yeah, there again, all this is what is possible for this pair. Okay, so this is what I'll be expecting for Euro-JPY. And seriously, Euro-JPY is giving a very nice price action. Keep your eyes on it and see what you can get on it. Okay, so let's go to the next pair, which is Gbpjpy. Now, as you know, Gbpjpy and Euro-JPY are they are correlated. Okay, they are positively correlated. So what I'm expecting for Euro-JPY, I'm definitely going to be expecting the same thing for Gbpjpy. So I'm expecting sells, okay, for Euro-JPY. So I'm going to be expecting sells for Gbpjpy. So what will I be expecting? All right, so I'm expecting price to actually trade into this zone right here, okay, to give us a sell in the market, or price will also trade into this zone right here. So I have two zones I'm expecting price to trade into. But then if you ask me, I'll be considering this zone right here. Why? Because we have liquidity right up here. We also have a fair value gap right here, which I'm expecting price to fill up before we get ourselves. Okay, so we have some form of fair value gap or imbalance right here. So I'm expecting price to fill it up, take out this liquidity, and then we get ourselves in the market. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be expecting for the following pairs this coming week. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I'll be very happy and very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. I have a Telegram channel which I give updates, free setups. You ask me questions, you can send your setups. A lot of people send setups, ask about it, and then we discuss about the setup. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm expecting for this coming week. Have a great week. Thank you for watching this video.